Priti, a lot of people, when they hear the word sustainability, think understandably about the environment, think about ecology, but it's evolved to concepts of social inclusion, community, and these days people talk about digital sustainability. If someone hears that for the first time, what does digital sustainability mean?
Simply put, Adam, digital sustainability is the act of using digital assets, whether that's apps, your core digital core digital architecture, data. It could be any of those digital aspects. The act of using these digital assets to create sustainability impact. And when I say sustainability impact, it could mean environmental sustainability, it could be social sustainability, it could be financial sustainability. To give you a quick example, how are you using your core ERP systems to understand the materials that are used in your production lines? How are you managing waste? How are you using IoT to understand what is your resource use, for instance? So this is a direct understanding of how you're using digital. And when I say you, it could be a corporate, it could be a startup, it could be a household, it could be anything. We at TCS are looking at how large businesses are using digital to impact their sustainability goals.
There's been a great increase in expenditure on digital transformation in general over the last few years, the last decades, but how can businesses successfully focus that increased expenditure on transformation around achieving those sort of goals of digital sustainability?
I think digital is absolutely at the core for large businesses to achieve their sustainability goals. And when I say that, when I say digital, I mean their digital core, right? I mean the whole foundation, right? Because yes, companies want to do X, Y, and Z, but if that core is not strong, if that core is not complete, and whether from a data point of view or from a digital architecture point of view, from closing the loop becomes really hard. And so it's sustainability is all about measuring, sustainability is all about acting, and sustainability is all about learning from what you're doing. And so to answer all of those questions, it comes back to the digital core of a business. How much does the business or organization know about its impact, about its waste, about its footprint? And without measuring those, it's hard for them to impact or change or create outcomes that they're after. So it all comes down to that digital core. How is your digital core? How are your systems talking to each other? How are you able to build on that digital core? How are you able to innovate to impact sustainability? So I think ultimately digital transformation is coming back to how strong your digital core is and how relevant it is for today. And so I think digital and sustainability are interlinked, and we will see that more and more being underscored by large organizations that are not only looking at digital transformation, but are also seeking to make environmental, social, financial sustainability impact.
It's such an exciting space. Your passion is evident. How lucky we are to have you as the Director of New Business and Innovation for TCS New Zealand. Lovely to speak to you. Thanks for answering some big questions, Priti Ambani.
Thank you so much, Adam, for your time. Lovely chatting with you.